I've said it once and I'll say it again 1,000 times. A watch is the #1 accessory every single gentleman should have at his disposal. And today I partnered up with Paul Rich in order to show you this new watch they have out, as well as give you 5 reasons why a watch is an essential for every gentleman's wardrobe. Coming up. Welcome to HP Fashion, where we give you tips and advice for men's fashion, grooming, and lifestyle. I am your host, Zach Fobbs. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notifications bell so that you're notified when more great content is dropped just like this. As I said before, I'm going to be going over a few reasons as to why a watch is an essential for every single gentleman to have in his wardrobe, starting with #1, it's the perfect accessory. In my humble opinion, a watch is the perfect finishing touch to every single great outfit. You have a wide variety to choose from to go with just about any look that you prefer, but in my opinion, every single guy should have at least one watch that can go with every great outfit. Like this one from Paul Rich, who is partnering up with us for today's show. This is the Conquest from their men's collection, and I have to say it honestly looks and feels amazing for its actual retail price. It has this matte black 45mm stainless steel case and strap with the Japanese quartz movement, and honestly I have to say I love it. It's racked up a lot of compliments and I've been able to wear it with tons of great outfits. It's one of their more higher end pieces, but on average their men's collection can run around basically $100 to $150, so it's an affordable luxury. These watches, they look amazing. I've seen some of their other watches on their website. Some of these things can easily run to $300-400 for the way they look, but it's almost basically half of that price, and it's even more affordable since you are part of the Humble and Bold community. I managed to get you guys a 15% discount off your entire purchase, so hit that link in the description to Paul Rich, look at the collection, and use that discount code HBFashion15 and grab yourself a great timepiece just like this. The second reason why a watch is an essential to every gentleman's wardrobe because it shows maturity. Believe it or not, having a watch on will boost your maturity level significantly. It's just a little bit more classy to have a guy look at his watch versus pulling out his phone just to look at the time. And since you actually are looking at that watch to keep abreast of the time, it actually shows #3 that you are punctual. To show that girl that you're going on a date with, it will tell her that you are actually taking the time to actually be on time for whatever occasion that you guys have planned, and you guys will have a good time. On the flip side, it will show that your boss, that you are actually putting that extra effort to work on time. And it's just one of those things that typically when people see that you are punctual, that you are going to actually try to put an effort to be on time, it'll have a little bit more respect for you. And adding to that, #4, it will show that you are reliable. So to that girl, it'll add on that you are more trustworthy with some of the things that that you have to do to maintain a relationship, as well as with your boss. It will show that you can handle a lot more responsibility because you have such a good regular punctual timing that maybe in the near future you have a promotion coming your way. Possibly. And #5, they're super affordable. You don't have to lose an arm and a leg just to have a really nice looking timepiece. They're super affordable, especially if you're subscribed to the channel and you use that discount code I have for you earlier, and you get yourself a really nice looking timepiece with like a fraction of the cost. So what do you have to lose? And that's it for today. Those are 5 reasons why a watch is an essential for every man's wardrobe. If you like this video and you learned something from it, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new and help us build the Humble and Bold community. Also, don't forget to check out Paul Rich. I'll have their website linked down below with that discount code so you can pick yourself up a nice, sick, affordable watch. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you next time.